Let's open a fun box. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Christina. We're gonna open a Thredup Fun Box today, which if you're new to the channel, you might not know is one of my favorites. This one is coming to us from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. And this one I ordered super recently. It was still in my entryway. I actually already cut the tape. I know I usually cut the tape with y'all, but there's no sticker on this one. I didn't know what box it was. So I did cut the tape. The receipt was right tucked under the little flap. And so let's see when I ordered this one. Okay, I ordered this one on April 16th. Wait a minute. That's not super recent. I guess I haven't put my boxes away. Anyway, it was still in my entry. So we're going to get this one open. I did order another one. Did I order one today? No, I didn't. I almost ordered one today. I still have two that are a little bit older than this one left to open. So we will get those open too. But since this one was out, I thought let's just go ahead and do it. All right, so if you're not familiar with the fun boxes, you get 10 miscellaneous items, and the box is $34. That is plus shipping and then plus tax. So it can be a little pricey, especially when you're not sure what you're going to get in these boxes. They can be super random. I've gotten designer items. I've gotten items that I don't even know what they are. Some that are great resale, some that are not. So it's definitely a toss-up as to what you're going to get. So hopefully this is a good one. I'll give y'all a peek off the top. I haven't peeked. And I will say this one feels kind of light. So hopefully, hopefully it's a good one. We shall see. Ooh, this looks exciting right off the bat. Look at that. There's like a little Christmas box on the top. Okay, I love Christmas, y'all. I don't know. I feel like I've talked about it some on this channel. Well, first of all, here's the air pockets. But I collect ornaments. Like, I'm a big nerd. So, anyway, look at this. Hopefully it's not just a box and there's something inside. Yay. Okay, we've got a box that's got ornaments on it and a little peacock ornament. Let's see. There is a tag on the bottom before we open it. This says holiday storage. So is it just a box? Or I think some of my items are in here. Oh my gosh. I see something else I'm excited about. Y'all, look. And I love Disney. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Okay, so I think that like some of my items are in this box. So I think this is just a box, which I'll totally use, by the way. Yeah, okay, so the rest of the items are in here. And y'all, OMG, I'm so excited. Okay, all right. So I'm thrilled with this storage box, which I will definitely keep and use. And also, as I go or on the screen, any items that I'm planning on selling, I will put a subscriber price on the screen. I do sell direct through YouTube. So if you see something that you want to purchase, just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com and I can invoice you through PayPal and sell to you directly. I usually do like a 40 or 50% off what I would list the item for. That's kind of how I do my pricing for y'all. And yeah, so if you're interested, just send me an email. All right, so right off the top in the box, we've got a pair of socks. These are in a gray and they've got a pink heel and a pink toe. Super cute. I have had this brand before, the Kiki socks. And they actually sold for me pretty well. Yeah, they're made in Korea. And this says popcorn and Kiki. So I will look these up. Like I said, I have sold these before. So I think that they do pretty well, actually. Yay. Okay, those are super cute. Next, y'all, we got a passport cover. I think this is the second one that I've gotten. It's so pretty. Pink passport. Oh, I love that. Really nice condition. It's got a brown on the inside. like kind of suede. This feels like real leather. Shut up. Oh my gosh. What? Y'all, stop. That says Tiffany & Co. Y'all, did I get a Tiffany passport holder? Oh, this box is like made for me. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is amazing. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, now I need to go travel. That's the next thing. Oh my gosh, this box. I was already excited just with the Christmas storage box. Okay. Yay. I'm trying to pull myself together here. Yay. I think that's the first Tiffany item I have ever gotten from Thredup in any box. I've never gotten a Tiffany item in a designer box, a jewelry box. No. I'm so excited. Okay. And y'all, it's almost my birthday. My birthday is coming up literally in like, I don't know, a week-ish. And so that's awesome. Yay. All right. I'll definitely be keeping that for myself. All right. Next, we have a keychain. And look, y'all, we've got a Lily Pulitzer keychain. Now, I don't really know what this attachment is to this. If anyone is interested in this keychain, I'll have a price on the screen and you can let me know if you want me to take this off for you. Somebody must have attached that to the keychain, but this is in great condition. You've got the pink floral lily print, Lily Pulitzer mark. Get this plastic thing out of the way. Mark here. And then you've got the branding also right here on the keychain. This is great. And there's the back. And it's like a little loop, and then it's got the gold on the inside. Yay. That is awesome. Okay. All right. Y'all, this box is so good. I'm freaking out right now. Okay. Let's go next for the Disney. I love Disney. Oh, these are gorgeous. Okay. We have a pair of Mickey sterling silver earrings. I just did a recap yesterday over a Thredup mixed jewelry box that I did on this channel about 3 months ago. And in that mixed jewelry box, I got 2 sterling silver sets like this that were new in the box. So this is awesome. And let's see, let's open it up, see if there's any more information. Usually on the Disney jewelry, if you pull the card out, there'll be more info right here. So this one says it is sterling silver, rhodium plated, CZ, Mickey Mouse stud earrings. That is awesome. It's still got the silica pack in there. And so these are great. I have a ton of Disney jewelry already. So I will offer these up for sale. If nobody ends up buying them, I will probably keep them. But if anyone's interested in these, we can do them for $15. Those are so nice. Perfect. Okay. Next, let's see what we've got here. Here, let's do more jewelry. Ooh, it looks like maybe we've got an Alex and Ani. Y'all, I cannot believe they threw a bunch of little goodies in this Christmas box. And I was just excited about the box. Wow. Amazing. Okay, so we've got a like gold tone Alex and Ani bracelet. I feel like this means something. I don't know. Let's see here. Let's look at all the markings. It does say charity by design. And then it's got the energy, but I don't know what this symbol means. I don't know if that's for, I'm sorry about my finger, y'all. It's still bruised. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that's for a certain charity or what. But it says copyright 2014. So hopefully I can Google Lens this and then put a little bit more information on the screen for you, what I found out about it. So that's great. Okay. Next we have a belt. I'm like unboxing a box inside a box, and I'm like so happy about it. Okay. Next we have a belt. This feels nice. You've got the black leather. This feels like leather, black leather. And then it's all blinged out here. Bunch of like little rhinestones. And then you've got the black with the notches here. It looks to be unworn because there's no pulling on the holes. Let's see. I don't see any information. I don't see any branding or anything like that. And it's a nice, almost suede on the inside. I will try to Google Lens this and see, smells like leather, and see if I can get any more information for y'all. And I'll put that on the screen. If I don't, I will still put the measurements. So if you're interested in purchasing, you can do that. Okay, we're down to our last item. Y'all, hair clips. One of my favorites. This is Anthropologie. So we have a new on the card, Anthropologie hair clips. These are so cool. You've got kind of these different shaped cubes. They almost look like ice cubes floating in like a Coca-Cola. That's what it reminds me of. And then you've got this other one. It's got like a cool little mix in like the resin. It's nice. So you get 2 of each. As much as I love hair clips, y'all, I'm going to have to sell these because these are too big for my puny hair. Like they'll just fall out. So if anyone, let's see, there is a $28 price tag on the back here. So if anyone's interested in these, let's just do these for $10. I don't know. No, let's do $8. Change my mind. We'll do $8. Okay, so that was it for this little box. Okay, before I get into the rest of the goodies, let's count and see. So we're going to count this as 1. We'll see where we are. 2 on the Disney jewelry. 3 on the Anthro hair clips. 4 on the leather belt. 5 on the Alex and Ani. 6 on the Lily keychain. Y'all, oh my gosh. 7 on this Tiffany passport case. I cannot believe this. Okay, 7. 8 on the socks. Okay, so we're at 8 items, so we should have 2 more. Hello. Hello, Disney. Look. So this is not actually a Disney headband. This is like someone made this. Or it was sold at a store, but this is not Disney, like authentic Disney. It would be all marked on the inside here, and there would be a tag that's like a CVS receipt sewn in on the inside. It's insane. But these are so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are so adorable. Very lightweight, which is good because the regular Disney ones are really heavy, actually. So these are adorable. I should redo my thumbnail picture and put the ears on. Anyway, if anyone is interested in the Disney ears, we can do these for $5. That's cute. Okay, last item in the box. Y'all, it's flamingos. Look how cute that is. My son loves flamingos. Oh, these are nice. They're shorts. Look how cute those are. It's too bad these aren't in my size. Stop, you guys. They're Kate Spade. New with tags. Oh, this box is so good. Okay, so we've got new with tags, Kate Spade, flamingo pajamas. I can't. This is so good. Okay. Let's see. I need to check the size. Okay, we have to make sure it's the same size top and bottom. Does it say a size on here? I'll double check this off camera because I don't want to take too much time, but I will make sure that these are the same size. I'm going to guess that these are either in a small or a medium. Okay, let's see. Medium. And look, that tag is so nice. It's so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh, these feel so silky. Y'all, I so wish these were in my size. I would be rocking these. Okay, so we've got the tag and an extra button. And then these were $78 retail. Nice. So, you know, I think I would probably list these around 60. So if anyone is interested in these, let's do them for $35. You guys, these are so awesome. I love these. Could I have even asked for a better box? I mean, I'm sure I could have, but this box was stellar. Y'all, this is why I keep ordering the fun boxes, even though the price has gotten a little crazy. When they first started adding the shipping, I was kind of on the fence, like, I don't know. Because listen, y'all, I've gotten some bad fun boxes before, okay? But I am so happy about this one. I mean, Kate Spade, new Attacks pajamas, Tiffany, I got some Disney stuff. I mean, this box was awesome. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. And y'all, I got Tiffany for my birthday. Let's just say that. So I'm happy. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And I'm having a video coming out on Thursday. I'm going to be doing a ThreadUp mixed jewelry box. You don't want to miss that for ThreadUp Thursday. So I'll see y'all then. Bye, y'all.